We are going to have the revision of all the topics of the grammar that we discussed during these extra classes. So let's have the revision of that. First slide is there on the screen. You can read the questions and then find out the answers. Note the answers in your notebook. Take 1 minute to solve. Yes, it is done. Ankit.
Yes.
Yes, beta. Solve the sentences.
Then first, the Mughals won the Battle of Panipat that took place in 1761. A parts 1 and 2.
The Mughals. इस सेंटेंस में भी कोई मिस्टेक है?
And yes.
क्या?
Ma'am, in place of has one, we will write one, and in place of take, we will write took. A parts 1 and 2.
Okay, the Mughals won the battle. Which tense is this?
And this is past tense.
Past indefinite. Mughals won the battle of Panipat that took place in 1761. Why we are using here past tense in both the forms? One took, second form in both. Why? Yes, where we use past indefinite. Remember the rules?
Then we are using past indefinite because this action has took place in the past, in 1761. So we are using past indefinite.
Yes, it is the historical fact of the past. Clear? It is a historical fact of the past. Next, Ishita Kapoor.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, second sentence.
Nupur has been singing since morning.
Yes, which tense?
It's past, present perfect.
Present perfect. You are using has been singing. Is it
Present
present?
perfect continuous.
Yes, it is present perfect continuous. Why you are using here present perfect continuous?
Because the action has started in the morning and it's still going on.
Yes, started in the past and still in continuation. What is the difference between the present continuous and the present perfect continuous? Ishita, can you explain? Why can't we use here Nupur is singing? Simple continuous, we can't use it. Why?
We use is if we use is singing, then it means that Nupur is singing in present. But we have to we are saying here in this sentence, we are saying that he started singing in the morning, and this action is still going on.
Action started in the past and is still in continuation. Okay, one reason is this. Any other recognition of the sentence? Simple continuous and perfect continuous. Any difference in the sentence? How we recognize the sentence? हमें कैसे पता चल जाता है कि ये perfect continuous ही होगा? Yes.
There is the use of since in the sentence.
Very good. When we are given the time phrase with since or for, that means the sentence relates to perfect continuous only. It's not simple continuous. Okay? Simple continuous means the action is going on, and perfect continuous means the action started in the past and is still going on. So we are given the time reference with since or for. Yes, Gauri beta, can you explain what is the difference between since and for?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, Since is used for a particular time and for used for a span of time.
Yes, since is used for a point of time, which is called as exact time or a particular time, and for is used only for the period of time or the duration of time. Okay. Yes, coming to the third sentence. Yes, Gauri beta.
Yes, ma'am. And tomato is a fruit, not an vegetable.
Hmm.
Ma'am, A option, a tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable.
Yes, a tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable. What are these? A, the, and what we call them?
Articles.
Articles. We are, and where we have covered the articles in which topic? Articles are included in which topic? Yes,
Terminal.
in
Terminus.
determiners. Very good, very good. Next, raise your hand. Next student quickly. Those who have got the term, they can lower their hands and the rest should come forward. Otherwise, I'll call you by name and you have to answer. Yes, Kamaljeet Kaur. Next sentence, beta.
They are short of money, you know. Ma'am, B part, money.
They are short of the money, you know, and the correction is they are short of money, you know. What is the correction made here?
Ma'am, we remove the article, the.
Yes, there is no need of article in front of money. Money के आगे article की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We don't need. Okay. Now please check your answers. All of you. Next slide. All the answers are given with the red. If you have written in your notebook, please check it. Done. Should I move forward? Yes. Next student, raise your hand. Hiteshri is there. Yes. Yes, beta. Coming to the next slide. Take 1 minute, all of you. Read the sentences. Find out the answers. Note in your note. Write in your notebook. Take 1 minute to think over.
Mama, first we
Please,
know correction.
Gauri beta, please keep yourself mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. Let all read. Yes, I hope you all have read the sentences. Yes, Hiteshri beta.
Ma'am, I think the sentence is correct. So we will choose the D option. No
I was given, read the
correction.
sentence. Read the sentence.
I was given a memento. Yes, I was given a memento by my boss.
Which form of sentence is this?
Past tense.
Past. Which form of sentence is this? Tense is past. You're right. Which form of the sentence is this? Is it a simple sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentences, or some other sentence?
It's simple past tense.
Simple past. Simple past, we use second form of the verb, but here it is was, given was plus third form. Then the subject is given at the end with by my boss. कहाँ हम डूअर को एंड में लेकर बाय लगाते हैं? क्या होती है वो सेंटेंस की फॉर्म? Yes, Gauri beta, you are raising
Ma'am,
hand.
passive form.
Yes, very good. We have not done the voice, but you have already covered it in previous classes. This is the passive form of past indefinite. I was given, past. Was were helping verb plus third form, and the agent or the doer is given at the end with by. Clear? And your answer is right, that the sentence is correct. So D part, no correction. Very good. Coming to the next sentence, quickly come forward, raise your hands. Harsuk Kaur. Yes, beta. Second sentence. Yes, Harsuk
Ma'am,
beta.
in six sentence, C option will be
Please
there.
read. Please first read the sentence.
I will come home, but I finished work. Ma'am, C option will be there. I will come home when I finish work.
Yes, I will come home when I finish work. Which pattern is used here? Can you explain in the sentence which pattern is used? Which pattern? Can you call it as conditional sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and which pattern is this? If I use if at the place of when, it becomes a conditional sentence. I will come home if I finish my work. Sentence can be in this form also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which pattern of conditional sentence is this? Yes.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Beta, you should know now. We have discussed while doing the tenses. You should know conditional sentences also. Who will explain? Quickly raise your hands. Come forward. Who will explain this conditional sentence rules? Yes. Ramavasti. Yes, beta. Ramavasti. Can you explain? Hiteshri. Yes, beta. Yes, Hiteshri, beta. Explain. Hiteshri, beta. Explain it.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are three types of conditionals.
Hmm. Which one is
Ma'am,
this?
first has a form of, ma'am, six sentence. Ma'am, it is
Yes.
will plus finish, which means that it is the first type.
Yes. Which future plus present. And if we bring the conditional in the beginning, this is present plus future, because usme hame jo conditional form hai, that is given in the beginning. Conditional clause will take present tense and the second clause will take future tense. Clear? So the sentence will be, I'll come home when I finish the work. Yes. Next sentence. Who will do the next sentence? Quickly raise your hands. Japdeep Kaur. Yes, beta. Japdeep. Yes, beta. Third sentence. Number 7th sentence. Yes.
Ma'am, option C.
First read the sentence.
I will come tonight. I will have finished my homework by then.
I will come tonight. I will have finished my homework by then. Which tense? Which tense you are using here? Will have finished. Which tense?
Ma'am, future perfect.
Future perfect tense. Why you are using here future perfect tense? Where we use, what is the rule? Yes, beta. Will have
I
finished.
don't know
क्या
this.
बताता है हमें? That the action will be completed by a particular time. By then. Then क्या बता रहा हमें? Tonight के बारे में. ठीक है? यहाँ क्या बोला गया? I will come tonight. I will have finished my homework by then. By then means till tonight. कि आज रात तक मैं अपना काम खत्म कर लूंगी, कर चुकी होंगी. So I will come tonight. When the action is complete by a particular time in the future. ये future का time है. ठीक है? Clear? Is it clear
Okay.
now? Yes. Next
Yes.
sentence. Next sentence. Quickly raise your hands. Those who have not got the turn, come forward. Yes, Ishita Kapoor. Very good. Rest of the students also come forward. Yes, Ishita
Yes,
Kapoor.
ma'am.
Last sentence.
If I get selected for the exam, I would go on a vacation.
If I get selected for the exam, I would go on a vacation. How? Which pattern we are using here?
Ma'am, this is the conditional type 2.
Type 2, but there is some mistake in the sentence. Can you find out? Some typing mistake is there in the sentence. Otherwise, your answer is correct according to type 2. What we use in type 2?
Ma'am, if is there in the starting, and simple past tense is there.
Simple past should be there. It is simple past. If I get selected, is it simple past? Get is first form. So the mistake is here. If I
Yes, ma'am.
got selected.
Got selected.
If I got selected for the exam, I would go on a vacation. This is pattern number 2. Conditional sentences pattern 2. Past plus would, could, should, any out of these three. Modal verb plus have plus plus second first form of the verb. Would, could, should plus first form of the verb. Clear? Now you all must check your answers. First one, no correction. Second, when and finish, C part. Then will have finished, C part, correct. Then 8th sentence, would is correct. Instead of could, it should be would. Okay. I hope you all have done. Yes, coming to the next slide. Take 1 minute, all of you. Read the sentences carefully and then find out the answers. And the rest of the students should come forward now. Raise your hands after reading properly. Yes, Anshuman Srivastav, Arman Kapoor, Balpreet, Arjun Sharma, Gurasis. Yes, quickly come forward, these students. Raise your hands, come forward. Hitika. Hitika, who is going to start? Quickly raise your hands, come forward. Yes, Anshuman Srivastav. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshuman, are you going to? Hiteshri, beta, you lower your hand. Yes, Hitika, beta, start.
Ma'am, you cannot spend a lot of money on presents. You need not to spend a lot of money on the presents.
You need not spend a lot of money on presents. What is this that we are using here? Cannot, need not, ये क्या है? What we call them? Yes, in which topic we have covered these? Yes, these are called as
Models.
models. Yes, very good. And here we use need not, spend. Which form is this? Spend. Yes, Ritika, which form? Spend. Yes, Ritika beta. It is first form of the verb. So in the models, what we use, modal verb plus first form of the verb. Need not spend. Clear? Next sentence. Next sentence, Anmol, Kant, Anshuman. Yes, Sayam Pasi. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Medical facilities ought to be free.
Medical facilities.
B part ought to be free.
Yes, medical facilities ought to be free. Ought to means क्या कहना चाहते हो आप? Translate the sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा प्लीज ट्रांसलेट द सेंटेंस. क्या मीनिंग बन रहा है इसका ought to लगाने से?
Ma'am, it means that medical facilities should be necessary to be free.
Should be free मतलब ought to be free मतलब होनी चाहिए. ये हमारी मॉरल ड्यूटी बनती है गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से या कुछ भी है. That medical facilities should be given, ought to be given free. Moral obligation. ठीक है. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes बेटा.
Ma'am, sometimes when we are possessing and so much will, then we can use shall also.
No beta, here we are giving in the form of a shall means मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज शेल बी फ्री मतलब आप अपनी तरफ से डिक्लेयर कर रहे हो कि मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज फ्री होंगी. यू हैव नो अथॉरिटी. यू कैन नॉट मेक दीज फैसिलिटीज फ्री फॉर द होल कंट्री. इट मे बी फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. ठीक है, अगर ऐसी कोई स्टेटमेंट हो ना उनकी तरफ से देन इट कैन बी. क्योंकि जब हम थर्ड पर्सन के साथ शेल यूज करेंगे तो इट मीन्स द थिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन. मस्ट जरूर होगा ऐसा. एक्सचेंज हो गया ना हेल्पिंग वर्ब. अदरवाइज वी यूज शेल विद द फर्स्ट पर्सन. तो अगर हम एक्सचेंज करके हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करते हैं तो इट मस्ट हैव सम कंडीशन, जैसे कोई प्रॉमिस, थ्रेट, डिटर्मिनेशन. तो ये एक डिटर्मिनेशन शो करेगा फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ द मिनिस्टर और द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. तब हो सकता है, अदरवाइज नहीं. हम सिर्फ एक ये चीज सपोज कर रहे हैं कि ऐसा होना चाहिए. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट वन, बलप्रीत. Balpreet, Gurasis, come forward beta, don't waste time. No one is going to. Arjun Sharma. Gurasis, yes beta.
11th sentence.
Yes.
Nina could have done well in life, but he did not believe in himself.
Nina could have done well in life, but he did not believe in himself. क्या मीनिंग बना इसका? बेटा थोड़ा सा मुझे ट्रांसलेट करके बताओ, क्योंकि मॉडल्स तब तक नहीं समझ आते जब तक आप उसको हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके मीनिंग नहीं समझते हो. Always try to do the translation when you have the models. तब मीनिंग समझ आता है. Yes.
नीना अपनी लाइफ में अच्छा कर सकता था, बट उसने अपने आप में बिलीव नहीं रखा.
Yes, नीना अपनी लाइफ में अच्छा कर सकती थी, but he did not believe in himself. लेकिन अच्छा ही दिया हुआ है, लेकिन वो अपने आप में विश्वास नहीं रखता. जैसे सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था, अपने आप पे विश्वास नहीं था. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. Yes, quickly come forward. You are wasting the time. We have so many sentences to do. Harkirat Singh, Balpreet, come forward. Otherwise, I am going to give the turn to the students again. Again, they will get the turn. Inpreet. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next sentence. Manveer, after this, Manveer, Parneet, Nayan, Manya. Quickly come forward, raising your hands. Yes, beta. 12th sentence.
Vimal is going to a new company so that he can get a salary.
Hmm.
Vimal should go to a Vimal is
Beta, can underline hai. That means we have to change this model verb.
okay. Vimal is going to need that he
Vimal is going
may
to.
get a
Yes,
salary.
yes. What is May telling us? Vimal is going to a new company so that he may get a good salary. What does May tell here? It refers to. It refers to.
Good.
क्या बता रहा है हमें?
That he could get a salary or
Possibility. What does it tell? Possibility.
possible.
May से हमें क्या पता चलता है? Possibility. Clear? Next one. Parneet Kaur. Parneet Kaur, Pranjal Batra, Pranjal Luthra. Quickly
Yes,
come
ma'am.
forward. Quickly come forward. Raise your hands. Yes. Yes. Who's there?
Paneet,
Yes. Read the next sentence.
dash you please lend me your scooter?
Hmm.
Could you please lend me your scooter?
Yes. Could you please lend me your scooter? Can we use here can also? Can you please lend me your scooter? What would be the
Yes, ma'am.
difference? What would be the difference for can and could here? क्या डिफरेंस होगा अगर हम can लगाते हैं even then the sentence is correct? Yes. Anyone else? Raise your hand. Yes, Hitika.
Ma'am, could is for strangers and it is in a polite way, whereas can is an informal way we can say to our friends or relatives.
Yes, could is more polite way. So if we are asking something from someone, we should be polite. Clear? Next, Ishita Kapoor. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Walk slowly, lest you could fall down.
Walk slowly lest you could fall down. No, it is wrong. Wrong, because lest is a conjunction, and I told you when we discussed the models that it is always followed by a particular model verb. What is that? Lest is always followed by a. Yes, Ishita Kapoor, you're raising hand. Yes, walk fast lest you. Who will tell? Quickly come forward. Raise your hands, come forward. Anmol Kant, Arjun Sharma, Balpreet, beta, why don't you answer? No, could is also wrong.
Should.
Should. It is a particular fixed preposition, sorry, you can model verb followed by the conjunction. ये conjunction है, pair conjunctions होती है ना जो two words वाली conjunctions होती हैं, pair of conjunctions. दो sentences को हम join करते हैं, जब वो lest के साथ join किया जाता है तो it is always followed by should. याद रखो, इसमें तो सोचने वाली बात ही नहीं है. अगर lest आ गया किसी भी sentence में तो it will be followed by should only. Walk slowly lest you should fall down. Clear? Yes, now check your answers. All of you. Need not, ought to, could have, may, could, and should. Clear? We are left with less 4 minutes only, so I want that you all should come forward quickly so that time should not be wasted. Now come to the next slide. Yes, quickly have one reading. I think time will be over within this only. So we should start instead of giving the time. Yes, those who are raising hand, I can ask them because otherwise the time will be wasted. Yes, Hiteshri, then Ram Avasthi. Quickly, beta, start.
Yes.
एक minute,
I don't
slide.
need
एक
any
minute.
coffee.
Yes, I don't need, I don't
I
want.
don't I don't
Yes.
want any coffee.
Any coffee, yes. For the positive sentences, we use some, and for the negative and
Some.
interrogative, we use any. Yes. Second sentence, Ramavasti.
सचिन इज अ मैम ये तो ब्रैडमैन लिखा है, मैं बैट्समैन होगा।
आगे पढ़ो पूरा सेंटेंस पहले।
मैम बैट्समैन ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट। सचिन इज अ बैट्समैन ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट।
सचिन इज अ बैट्समैन ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम। अगर आप सिंपल सेंटेंस ले रहे हो तो अ बैट्समैन हो गया। अगर हम इसी को लेके चलते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज अ नेम ऑफ सम क्रिकेटर जो हमारी कंट्री का नहीं है, किसी और कंट्री का है और सबसे टॉप मोस्ट प्लेयर है, उसके साथ कंपेयर किया गया है। जब हम किसी दूसरे के साथ उसको कंपेयर करते हैं तो क्या लगाते हैं? सचिन इज द ब्रेडमैन ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट। कि अगर हम इंडियन क्रिकेट को देखें तो वो हमारे लिए ब्रेडमैन है। समझ रहे हो? गलत नहीं है ये, इट इज करेक्ट।
ओके।
यस, नेक्स्ट वन। संयम, परनीत कौर, quickly come forward.
Oh no, I have
Yes,
spent
ma'am.
all the money I had.
Oh no, I have spent all the money I had. Yes, the money. Clear? Next one. Come forward quickly. Parneet Kaur, Ishita, Hiteshri, जल्दी जल्दी अपने आप one by one mute करते जाओ।
Could you give me a little money, please?
Could you give me a little money, please? Yes, a little means some money. ठीक है? Next. Next one.
Mahesh has sent the application to the principal.
Mahesh has sent the application to the principal. Yes, very good. Next one. I'm aware
I am aware of my
of my
shortcomings.
shortcomings. Yes. Next one.
He divided his property between two sons.
One by one, beta. He divided his property between two sons. Yes. Two हैं तो between, अगर more than two हैं तो among. Next. He's afraid
He is
of
afraid of lions.
lions.
He's afraid of lions.
Yes. Next one.
Dogs always bark at strangers.
Dogs always bark
On
at strangers.
strangers.
Dogs always bark at strangers.
At strangers.
Bark at. On the way
We came across an old
yes,
beggar.
came across an old beggar. Very good. Next one.
He was accused of theft.
He
Of
was
thieves.
yes, he was accused of theft.
Theft.
Accused of. Clear? Now you can check your answers. I hope all the topics are covered, and we'll share the holidays homework grammar assignment today. Okay? And solve it in your notebooks only. Better to get the printout, and if you solve on those pages only, then paste those pages in your notebook. Okay? Happy holidays to all of you. So I'm ending the meeting. Only 1 minute is left.